Referee saw something on that last play. I saw a signal for a technical foul. Let's see what will be the report. Jexter Obido will be called for a technical foul for second motion as Galion will be at the line back to shoot his technical free throw, swishing that first free throw in. Balik pa rin ang bola dito sa CDO as they look to continue their winning ways dito sa Battle of Champions. Again, a 6-lead, I should say a 6-day league. Every win will matter. Every win does matter. The first 2 days belongs to the first placers. The next 2 days belongs to the champions. Friday and Saturday, that will be Judgment Day for this squad. What a pass by Espiritu. Just couldn't convert on the other side. Now on the run, once again, the Descarte. Peter Bordado sends it in the corner. Goes for this attack. Fakes, door was closed. Will reset, reload, shoots, won't fall. A shot was a miss. Espiritu on the run. Extra pass, fakes, a jumper, won't go. Follow up is in. What a follow up right there on the other side. And this Laguna squad bump up and maybe taking advantage of the fact na naglaro na itong CDO team kanina. As a basket goes in for this team from CDO once again. A minute 55 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. And a fast-paced action. Both squads wanting to run, pero they just read each other perfectly. A much better start for Laguna, for CDO. Just able to regain their groove and that jumper drops in. Peter Bordado has starting to hit his shots. Obido wanting to get that ball, but it is taken away on the middle, skipping in. That won't fall. Balik ang bola as that attempt by De La Lerna didn't come to fruition. Balik ang possession dito sa Laguna. (24-21). Laguna looking to add more points. 5-second violation. Final minute dito sa ating fast and furious first quarter action with Laguna up here 24-21. Swing, a 3. That is off to the right. Ball is tapped, sent out. Goes for this counter attack with a floater. Di pa rin papasok. Inside. Another look. Still won't fall. Galion will not complete, but will shoot his free throws. A lot of opportunities on the side of CDO to get things going. Yun nga lang para sa kanila, they just couldn't convert. Galion will be at the line here. Solid performance for him on that opening game. Yun nga lang, di nakapasok ang kanyang unang attempt. 24-21. Galion secures the second with 36.5 seconds remaining. Jexter Obido finally has a touch on that ball. Looking to increase their lead here. Offensive rebound, almost loose. Balik kay Jexter. Obido on the attack, drops it off. Basket is good. (26-22). 4-point lead for Laguna. A big three. That is off the mark. Good line though para kay Kanoy. 3 seconds to work with. Needing to hurry to beat the buzzer. Oh! Timely shot. Release is good. Increases the lead to 7. What a 3-point shot just to beat the buzzer. Laguna LBDL Galleons with a 7-point lead, 29-22. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
Second quarter of action. Bakbakang LBDL Galleons and CDO from Laguna and CDO Province dito sa ating Battle for Champions. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Baron Mercado covering the action. And after that buzzer beater kanina, increased the lead to 7. 29-22. Looking to continue the action. Jexter Obido will lose the possession. Now on the run. Nice pass. Basket is good. Besañez scoring on that basket. That was a good look by Amamag. Finding a teammate on the left, unselfish to start off the second quarter. Susubukan ngayon ng CDO to cut more into this lead. They have a good position right now. Nawala nga lang sa kanila ang bola. A counter run, a 3-on-1 break. Obido with a finish. Solid performance so far for Jexter Obido. Balik sa 7 ang kalamangan as Amamag and crew. Humahabol pa rin dito. Almost a steal. That was a gamble. Open 3 is in. Besañez scores on that 3-point bomb as a traveling call on Tandok. Siya yung huling nakapuntos para dito sa LBDL. Paul Tandok was able to knock down that big 3. Naibalik naman on the other side ni Besañez. Here he is, sends it out. And that is a swish. Extending the range here. Antolo able to knock it down. 31-30 ang ating score with 7:35 remaining here in the first half. 1-3 for Besañez, 1-3 for Antolo. That makes it at least 6 points for the squad. Plus the 2-pointer kanina. Amamag with a finish. They have the lead, talking about CDO. Didiskarte once again. Here is Sobido. Oh, I should say that's a Tandok. Balik ang bola on the other side. 32-31. Back and forth we go in this matchup number 6. (32-31). Looking to extend their lead, I should say, or regain the lead. Ay itong Laguna LBDL. Paul Tandok inches closer. Couldn't secure that jumper. Follow-up is good. Kurt Repol with a follow-up. 33-32. Another one for Antolo. 2 3-pointers in this contest. The big guy extending the range. Tandok double teamed. Good rescue. Referees will call a traveling violation. (35-33). 5 minutes 40 remaining as they look to cut more into this game for CDO. High looper. Nice floater on that last one, finding the glass for that angle. And a traveling call this time, second quarter naman. CDO taking control. 37-33 ang ating action. 5 minutes 19. We'll be right back after this break. Brought to us by Pound Fitness.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
37-33. Looking to attack this one. Bordado couldn't convert. Follow-up is in. Amamag once again with the putback. And now the defense of CDO. Medyo humihigpit na. De Leon. Nice pass. Basket is good for a Kurt Repol. Looking to make a counter. Amamag once again. Stepping through. Bordado. Hindi papasok ang kanyang tres. Galeon couldn't secure that follow-up. And now looking to push their pace and make a run. 39-31 ang ating score with 4 minutes 20 remaining. Four-point lead pa rin para dito sa CDO. As we are 4 minutes remaining dito sa ating first half. Laguna looking to make some beautiful play, and that is how you do it. Jexter Oblido now starting to feel it in this game after that beautiful bounce pass that finds himself open. Now he gets that rebound. Jexter, all gas. What a pass and the finish. That is your highlight of the day. Edgar De Leon with the finish. Nice pass by Jexter Obido. We are tied at 39. Just like that, meaning no lead is safe in this kind of tempo. Both teams are really playing their strengths here. As we approach the final 3 in this second quarter, ball is tapped. Balik ang possession dito sa Laguna. Need to send this ball across. Looking to break the tie. Espiritu, shovel pass, and there is a foul call on this last play. Will be shooting his free throws in. Itong si AVL Kalimlim. Kalimlim will knock down the first one. Second free throw won't work. Securing that rebound ay itong CDO. Nakalaban. Maganda yung naging performance niya on that first game. Jumper. Thought about that one. Didiskarte once again. This time on the corner. Drives, baseline, strong finish. Amamag with an impressive second quarter as well. De Leon, double pumps. Hits the top of the backboard. As we are in the last 2 minutes of our second quarter, ganun na lamang kabilis ang mga aksyon at nangyayari dito as Amamag and company looking to extend their lead, won't fall. Recovered by Amamag. Will recover once again. Guys from CDO. Tough basket. De La Serna has scored a basket kanina. Has make it 4 points. Espiritu to De Leon. Just like that, ganun kabilis makaresponde itong Laguna. No lead is safe here. Timeout is called, brought to us by Pound Fitness.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng
A 3 after that timeout will not be rescued. 43-42 ang ating coverage as Amamag will be throwing that foul. Having a solid performance so far. Sinks that first. Misses on the second. Makukuha nila ang bola. Amamag and company. Nakalaban. Nice pass inside. Galion will be fouled. So balik sila sa free throw area. (44-42) ang ating tally so far. So Galion will be at the line. Siya yung nagsimula ng atake para dito sa CDO. As they look to make it 2 wins in a row. Galion secures that possession once again. 44 or make it 45-42. Jumper, di pa rin papasok. Laguna will have that possession pero merong foul before we can continue the action. 41.5 seconds remaining dito sa ating contest in the first half. Looking to make a strong inbound. Amamag secures that steal. Here he goes on the attack. Amamag with a finish. Dexter Obido looking to beat two defenders there was rescued by Espiritu. Final 22, Espiritu on the drive, drops it off. Kalilim, too strong, running away here. Looking to score, Besanyes to Amama. Sila ngayon ang merong 7-point lead. Earlier on, they were trailing by as much as 7. What a response by CDO. Ngayon naman, sila ang merong 7 puntos na kalamangan with 4.9 seconds remaining. Let's see if they can finish this quarter strong, or will Laguna, Paul Tandok, maka 3 points kaya ulit. Here is Obido to beat the buzzer. That is off the mark. We will enter our halftime. 49-42 in favor of CDO. What a turnaround for the guys wearing white and red. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL.
Third quarter sa bakbakang Laguna at CDO for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Besanyes scores the first two. Baron Mercado po covering the action. And CDO has made a wonderful turnaround dito sa ating laro. They were trailing by 7 earlier. Ngayon, sila na ngayon ang merong kalamangan na siyam, make it 7. After that basket by Edgar De Leon. Nice steal on the other side. De Leon making a stop. Espiritu all the way. That won't fall. As a counter steal, Chexter Robido. Looking to respond quickly. Itong CDO. Ooh, how did that shot goes in? Amamag. Paano na ipasok yun? Finding the right angle perhaps. But Amamag starts off this quarter on a good note. Meanwhile, De Leon missing on that floater. Amamag once again. A 3-on-2 break. What passing. Balik kay Amamag. Galeon. Di makakakuha ng basket. On the run, Obido. Nice defense. That was a 3-on-2 break. A solid stop. Amamag will be fouled as we are having a good time dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas. Amamag once again. This time he's having a superb performance, especially on that second quarter. Siya yung isa sa dahilan kung bakit naging 7 ang kanilang kalamangan. 54-46. Amamag once again knocks it down. Balik sa siyam ang kalamangan dito, 55-46. Espiritu always in a hurry as they want to score quickly and get that ball quicker. Talking about Laguna, as that basket didn't go in, merong foul na itinawag ang ating referees on that Galleon's attack. That is Tandok hitting that buzzer beater of a 3 kaninang first quarter. Ngayon, siya naman at the free throw area looking to add points. Couldn't convert is Paul Tandok. $55-47 is the tally. Nakalaban. Balik dito kay Amamag. Has been really playing well. Sends it on the right side. This time ball action is now in the corner. Looking to send it. Benares for the jumper that don't go. Isa pa. A bit of a hesitation on that last play. As a Besanyes couldn't get that pass to go through. Flying out of nowhere is Amamag. Tandok starts off the play. CDO ulit ang dedepensa dito. Let's see how can they cut this lead in. Behind his back goes Obido, but better defense by Galeon. 11 seconds to shoot and Jexter Obido. What a finish for Jexter. 55-49 ang ating tally. Only down by 6. 2 possessions lamang as we are 6 minutes 30 remaining. Dito sa ating third quarter, Amamag sends it. Besanyes on the attack will shoot his free throws. Got to appreciate how good of an effort ang ibinibigay ni Besanyes in this game. Kanina naka 3 points, making some good reads, some good attacks, and this time in a better position for him to shoot. Besanyes at the line knocks down the first one. One more time for Besanyes. Rattles the second one as well. But if you look at the score, 8 pa rin ang hinahabol dito ng Laguna. Just needs to play some defense, make some stops. That will be key here. Jexter Obido. Nice pass on the left side. Espiritu. Masyadong malakas yung kanyang layup. Counter run on the finish and Tolo for 2. $59-49. Galeon with the pick. Amamag adjusting right in mid-air. And a foul was called. 10 ang hinahabol dito ng CDO. I should say ng Laguna. 10-point lead for CDO after that miss. Amamag with a steal. Almost breaking free. Send it out to Nakalaban. Sends it on the left. Short stop, jumper, too short, Nakalaban, putback is in. Another steal, another turnover. Amamag favoring his knee. 61 points already. Kanina, itong CDO scored 102 points. That goes to show you how offensive-oriented Coach Boy is, and of course yung kanyang team from Cagayan de Oro. Another steal. Amamag for 2. He has been spectacular to watch in this second game for CDO. Antolo has hit 2 3-pointers but will be called for a foul. 15 na ang abante ng CDO dito with 4 minutes 48. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
15-point lead para dito sa CDO in the third quarter. Laguna's offense bit struggling to this CDO defense. At ang napansin ko dito sa CDO, they can score with the best of them. Kaya na lang maipagpalitan ng puntos, pero kapag kinakailangan ng dumipensa, they have that switch na pwede silang i-turn on to play some solid defense, and that's one of the solid defense, though called for a foul, successful preventing a basket. Dahil on their first game kanina, halos ganito rin. Nakipagsabayan yung kanilang kalaban from Bataan, score per score. They allowed many points, as high as 28 in that first quarter. Pagdating ng second quarter, ay nako, grabe namang depensa ang pinakita nitong mga taga-CDO. Only limiting Bataan to only 9 points in that quarter, for them scoring 22 points. That is a really, really tough hill to climb, and a talented group of bunch para dito sa CDO. Again, kudos to Coach Boy and his squad. Antolo with a finish. Nice pass by Amamag. 6-9 to 5-1 is our score here with 3 minutes 35 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Let's see how will Amamag and company finish the third quarter off. Kanina, dikit lang to. Now it has ballooned to 18 points. Antolo creating some space. Wouldn't get in. Six, 9, 5-1. Galion reverse is in. $20-point lead, 71 to 61. Amamag steal basket. Are we looking at another 100-point performance para dito sa kampo ng CDO? Espiritu with a basket. But you can see, Amamag medyo mabagal sa kanyang pag-angat kanina. Maybe favoring that knee. Espiritu almost completing that end one. Let's see if Coach Boy can let Amamag rest, dahil meron siyang iniinda sa kanyang kanang tuhod. As you see him on your left side of the screen, merong inaayos, merong inuunat. But Espiritu has been a spark for Laguna. Let's see if he can continue providing positives for his squad. Misses on the first one. Sinks the second. 72 to 55. 17 ang kanilang hinahabol. They force a steal. Espiritu with a lay-in. Cedric Espiritu starting to be awoken here. 15 points na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. Amamag doesn't have that lift anymore. A 3-on-1 finish. Espiritu, nice pass, nice finish. On the other side, 20-point lead down to 13 with a minute 34. Laguna looking to take advantage of the fact na medyo may iniinda itong si Amamag. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Final minute 23 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. As that tough basket eventually find its mark. Nice move by Nakalaban. Nice response during that timeout. 13 na lang ang kalamangan kanina. They get a steal. Amamag, Nakalaban for 2 again. Getting back-to-back baskets ay itong si Nakalaban. Balik sa 17 ang kanilang hinahabol dito as that shot by LBDL Galleons. Called for that foul. Knocks down the first one. Misses on the second one. Cut it as low as 13. As high as 20. Ngayon, 16 points ang kanilang hinahabol. Besanyes with a rescue. It is recovered. Here's Bordado. Stop and pop. Jumper is good. Atake ulit on this one. Didn't go in. Ball is tapped on the run. Amamag finds Antolo. Balik kay Amamag. Look at that touch passing. What a play by CDO. That was a quick decision making. Increasing the lead to 16. Nice response on the other side. And we will end our third quarter in a wild one. 78-64 is the score. Let's see if makaka 100 points ba ang CDO ulit, or will Laguna make a defensive run in the fourth? We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang
Amamag and CDO looking to make it 2 in a row in this game day as they look to finish off this tough LBDL Galan squad from Laguna. Baron Mercado covering the action for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. And Polo for his third basket from the outside. Not a three, stepping on the line, but extending that defense. Antolo showing the range. Kanina na ibaba na to ng Laguna as low as 13 points, pero nakakuha ng mabilis na responde ang kampo ng CDO. They force a steal, they will make a run, fakes Bordado, jumper won't fall but recovered by Amamag. Nice pass. Besanyes was turned away. It is a fight for that ball. Merong foul na itatawag ang ating referees dito kay Galacio. One of the players that really produced well for LBDL Galans Laguna ay itong si Espiritu Cedric, having a good third quarter but wasn't enough. Looking at that dribbling exhibition, could have finished it home. Amamag will lose the possession. Nice rescue on that last play. He's slow getting up. Again, merong iniinda. Itong si Amamag, hurt on that foot. On that left foot this time. Kanina, dun sa on that right foot, I should say, kanina sa tuhod, ngayon sa paa na ang tama nito ni Amamag. He has been playing so well para dito sa CDO. If they want their case here to be strong, they just need to rest him and hope that everyone can pull in, join together, and step up for this game. Again, Amamag has been playing well. Without him, meron naman silang maraming options. Antolo could be one of them. Besanyes, pwede ring isa. You can also look at Galion. Nakalaban also can produce big baskets. Here he is on that layup that didn't go. Falling down after that rebound. Merong tulak, sabi ng ating referees. 3 team fouls on the side of CDO with 7 minutes 30 remaining. Espiritu, nice steal on the other side. Galacio for 2. Nice basket by Galacio off that steal. Now 22 na ang kalamangan. This is the largest lead of the game. Dexter Obido making that pass a bit fancy, but the defense is just simple and good. Antolo, one man to beat. Nailang dun sa pag-swipe in at the last second. Espiritu, what a move! Cedric Espiritu double dipping that one, sitting in midair and finishing that ball in. But they are down by 20. 84-64. Here is Bordado. Galacio, I should say, missing on that attempt, pero babalik sa free throw area. As Galacio will be shooting his free throws in. So let's see if Galacio can hit his free throws that time. Masyadong short, or masyadong malakas, I should say, couldn't get that roll. One out of two. 85-64 ang ating score dito. 21-point lead para dito sa CDO. Action picked up on that second quarter once again. Of all quarters, no, that has been the signature quarter as Jexter Obido knocking down that tray. Balik sa 18 ang kalamangan dito. 85-67 is the score. Nakalaban, jumper, Galasio for 2. 87-67. Jexter Obido hit that 3 and now looking to respond with 5 minutes 36 remaining. CDO with 14 fouls already. Cedric Espiritu still continues to do damage. This time looking to make that quick pass. Balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng LBDL Gallants. 19-point lead. Let's see if they can swipe in one more run. Nakalaban, spins, hands it off. Ooh, close basket para dito kay Antolo. Here's Galeon. Basket still won't fall. Espiritu wants that ball back. Pero maghihintay pa siya dito as possession will go back to CDO. Galeon with a fake. Basket is good. 4 minutes 10 remaining. Dito sa ating fourth quarter, Antolo with the left hand. 87-72 with 3 minutes 53. Make it 89. 11 points na lamang. They will reach the 100-point margin. Talking about CDO. Cedric Espiritu at the line has been playing well as Jexter Obido. Pero hindi sapat yung kanilang two-man production to the all-around performance of the CDO squad, especially on defense. (89-74). They look to add more points. 15 na lamang ang kanilang hinahabol. Talking about Laguna, need to play defense, and that time nakakuha ng easy basket. De La Serna has scored another basket on their name. 91-74. Balik sa 17. De Leon bitin ng kanyang 3-pointer with 3:19 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter, I should say. Timeout is called here, brought to us by Pound Active.
Ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na
gets that basket to go after that timeout. 93-72. De Leon with a putback, with a floater, I should say. Still a 21-point lead. A 3. Couldn't hit it. 5 points na lang. Back-to-back 100-point performance. Grabe ang pinakita dito ng CDO. Again, kaya nilang maipagpalitan ng opensa. But that defense, very, very lethal. 2 minutes 30 remaining. Looking to make something happen here. Goes for that spin. That ball is on the ground. Balik ang bola dito sa Laguna. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes 10 remaining. 95-74. 21-point lead. Corner shot. Quick one. That is off the mark. Spins, shoots, won't fall. And it is recovered. Basket and one. 95-76. So a 19-point lead para dito sa kampo ng CDO. Again, they have been impressive on that opening contest, and right now they look to answer back. As I look at our schedule, the next game will be Siklab Bataan taking on Region 2. So Siklab Bataan looking to avenge their loss. Meanwhile, Region 2 fresh out of that victory versus Zamboanga Bulldogs early on. Sila naman ang magtitingin to make it a 2 in a row. Pass was too strong. (95-77, 18) ang kalamangan. Let's see if they can answer. Quick jumper. That is off. But final 50 remaining. Safe to say CDO will win their second game today. Impressive against Bataan and now winning again in this contest. 95-77 currently is our score with 41.4 seconds remaining. Paano nanalo ang CDO in this contest? Defense has been really their key. Ganda na nga naging depensa nila on that second, third quarter. Kung saan doon na naman nakalayo, doon na naman nabigyan ng challenge itong CDO so far. Laguna, they have been keeping in pace as they get that steal in the basket. But unfortunately, medyo bitin ang kanilang comeback hopes dito with 26 remaining in this fourth quarter. (81-95), 14-point lead. Kalilim will be fouled by De La Serna. Misses on that first one. Misses on that basket. Putback is in. 12 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. Looking to score there ay itong CDO, but regardless, 7.5 seconds remaining. Quick trigger to end the game. That is off the mark. De La Serna with a putback. 97 points for CDO in this contest. Impressive once again ay itong mga players from Cagayan de Oro, ADM, SHJMS winning 97-83. Laguna dropping their first loss. CDO winning their second game today. Next game natin, under 14, it will be Region 2 taking on Bataan. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.